In the Toolbox Tiles menu, we'll talk about the header setup. So in here, it should automatically pick what header type you have on. Pick up, I'm going to hit add new, call it an FD2. Change the header type to Draper Very-Feed. That should come up automatically for you, but I'm cheating because I don't have a header on it right now. Header subtype, FD2 for MacDons. It's a platform header. Header sensors, we want to enable those. And I'm getting some errors because I don't, like I said, I don't have a header hooked up to it right now. Shift and reel fore aft functions can be set to feeder features, which will do the feeder faceplate tilt forward and back, or header features, which will do the MacDon knife tilt. We can also change this on a run screen. Multifunction handle raise lower configuration. So pilot inverted raise lower basically means when we pull back, the header will come up. When we push forward, the header goes down. You can switch that to what maybe a John Deere guy is used to and go to non-inverted. So now they would say up is up, down is down. Accessories. So whether we have Very-Feed knife position sensor, yes or no. Normally we don't. Contour max wheels. Your MacDon FD2 may be equipped with those, with a sensor or without, depending how they were ordered. Flip up kit. Not installed. Header work lights, installed or not installed. Did your MacDon come with lights that shine behind the header? Lateral belt speed, you can change the speed. We also have this set to be on the run screens. Reel setup, hydraulic reel, installed. Hydraulic reel reverse, not installed. There is a kit to add hydraulic reel reverse. Reel speed sensor, installed or not installed. Most of these combines will be not installed. Reel speed minimum, I like to start with that at 1.5. Reel speed offset, it's grayed out, minus 1.6. Reel horizontal position sensor and vertical position sensor, these are the up, down, fore, and aft sensors on the reel. If you choose to install those, you can save those positions with your cut heights. Some people like this option, some don't. So you have the choice of installing or not installing those features if they have the sensors. Measurements. This is where we're going to enter in our header width. Header offset, if any. Turn on auto cut width, and our header alarm. Normally it comes default at like 3 or 4 rings. I like it at 1 ring. Whatever you prefer when you raise and lower the header. HHC, header height control. Maximum work height. This is where the acre cutoff point or your third cut position when you hit shift and resume. Auto level and headlands we want to install. Auto tilt and headlands installed. Auto header lift. I like it installed. With auto header lift, as soon as I back up, the header goes up. Headland turn sequence, none. That's an option. Height tilt response, I like in fast. Height sensitivity, start at 100. Tilt sensitivity at 100. Lower rate and raise rate, you can adjust those for your comfort level, how fast you want the header to raise and lower. Header tilt rate as well, we can adjust now. Pressure override should be 30 or higher with a MacDon header. And that is our header setup. Now, once the header is set up, we are going to want to do a calibration procedure. So if I go into calibrations, there's a whole list of calibrations here. We are looking for HHC header. And it gives us on-screen instructions. Header level to the ground and front faceplate is set to harvest position. So we want that faceplate sitting straight. Vehicle stationary with engine running. Oil temperature, operating range. In case of gauge wheels, wheel height is set to harvest position. And we hit start, and I'm not running right now, but you're going to follow through the instructions, hitting your raise and lower button until your header is calibrated. You want to make sure that your header is in harvest position, so the lower lock's undone, things like that.